Beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be decorating Frozen 2 Gingerbread house. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Wow. Okay, let's show them. We gotta take it out.
Snowflakes.
And I will do this. And we got some of these.
We got some cardboard cutouts from the characters from Frozen.
Yeah. And that's it.
What are these? Like for the gingerbread to stand?
Yeah.
The house to stand?
Yeah. I
Not
think.
sure what these are, but we will find out.
But it includes our pre-baked gingerbread cookies, ready to use white icing, blue color powder, purple sanding sugar. So in that package, there's purple sanding sugar, there's jewel stone sparkle mix, candy snowflakes.
Okay.
So right now we have these little brown clips.
The gingerbread.
You connect all the gingerbread cookies together.
Yeah, together and like that. That's how you do it. And here's another one to do. And that's it. And then we've got all the permissions.
It's a lot smaller than what I thought it would be.
And look. All the things are there's snowflakes. And some
Okay, where's the last piece? So we just put together the foundation of the gingerbread house.
Yeah.
We did, cookie.
Okay, so you want to put the icing in? Next is we're gonna mix the icing with the blue coloring so we can get a blue icing.
Mixing up the blue with the white. Get a weird looking mixture right now.
I'm gonna be putting the icing on and then they're gonna decorate. Okay, and this is the one me and Juliana decorated. It's okay, Mina. You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Hey, don't squeeze it.
Too much.
I don't know how well this is gonna work, but you're gonna help Daddy? Good job. Good job, Mina. I think this blue is so pretty.
Yeah, it looks so pretty with the. Oh.
Sasuke.
Oh.
Sasuke.
Mom.
What happened?
Look, Mom.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
No, Mom.
That is so beautiful.
And orange.
You're gonna show them what you made?
Yeah.
Show me what you.
Wow. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. What's your favorite song from Frozen?
Let it go.
That's your favorite song?
Yeah.
What about you, Jordan?
I would have to say Let It Go because that's the only one I really know.
Really?
That was my
Jordan, we just saw the second movie.
Yeah, but it's like it flew by.
I got
And all the songs I couldn't really get wrapped into.
B, I like the song where I think it was like another version of Let It Go.
Okay, that's done.
Finished product. It's not perfect. We did the best that we could. The eye looks pretty good. We did the best that we could. It was pretty messy. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below if you've tried to make a gingerbread house before, and let us know how it went. Did it become a total fail like ours did, or did it come out pretty well? So until next time, guys, bye.